we are making the boat deck, swim deck. There's the top layer, second layer. Just got done doing the oil change on the motor coach over here. There's the boat. Let's just keep rolling along. Alright, here's the other portion of this. Next thing we're gonna do is build some brackets down here to support the swim deck. Should be pretty legit. Got some ideas, see how they turn out. And I'm gonna hollow this piece out, add my little stairs over here. Just keep moving along. If you're curious, this is how we started out on the swim deck platform. Took some cardboard, started to tape it up, make some shape, and then went and got some swim deck rated wood that they use. I should just say marine quality lumber. And yeah, just started piecing it together to get this bad boy. Slick. There's another last year project. Got to repair those from the storm that hit. Alright, well, we're one step closer to the swim deck being done. I know the color doesn't match. It's a different story. But she's on there. Got to get some other stuff going. There's my stainless steel brackets, and then I went to town with the adhesive. But she is on there, and she is sturdy. It's pretty awesome. Whole boat shakes. Then I put this ladder on, which I think is awesome. I'm gonna put some foam pad on top of that, so you'll never really even care about the color. But yeah, there it is. Up to this point.